Hello, welcome to Bill's Gun Store. My name is Paul. Say, what brings you here today?
I need a firearm. You damn rubbish. Why else would I be here?
Well, I'm proud to say that we're the largest firearm emporium in town. How may I help you?
I don't know what to choose, but I have in mind something that's accurate so I can cheat in the local shooting tournament.
You really think I believe you? What are you really here for?
Okay, fine. Some person is stalking me every morning, and he is always wearing a blue ski mask. I told the police, but they did nothing. I just sense in my gut I need protection.
Stalker, eh? I'm sorry, but I cannot help you. But if you come into the staff-only warehouse I can help. It's 6:30 anyways. Johnson should arrive any minute to fill in my position at register. Hey, Samuel, we have a poor bloke who's getting stalked. Any concealed weapons that can help?
Well, of course. Swah. Bring him in. Okay, my cockney accented friend, I think I found the perfect gun for you. Swah. What you need is the Mac 11.
Je vois un homme avec un pistolet et un masque de ski entre les chopes. La situation est dégueulasse. Merde.
Whoa! Martin, lay off the badly grammared French swear words.
Oh, Jesus Christ. It's him. The guy who stalks me.
Oh noes. No. We left the door open and he just went behind the counter and killed Jackson.
Oh dear God, close the door now.
Swah. Oh noes. I've been shot. Get me the medic kit. Fuck.
Samuel est un gros sans second de chienne.
Hey, nobody calls me a bloody bitch, you dirty little.
Oh dear, we better move Sam away from the door. But what will we do after?